This is Demetria Davis with the JMD School District. Let's talk one-to-one. Our district's motto is teamwork. Here are a few of our key team members: Wide Area Network Supervisor, Director of Information and Technology, Executive Director of Technology, and Technology Project Supervisor. Our district consists of 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school. This makes up for 74,000 students and 489 teachers in a district that is stricken with poverty and low income. Let's talk numbers. In order for our district to integrate into a 1-to-1 ratio, this will cost us about $4 million. As you can see, Chromebooks and carts are about 68% of our budget, followed by infrastructure, which is 27%, and tables and routers about 4.2%. Our why. Our mission is that our school district will be totally integrated with technology, not just any technology, but 21st century technology. Our vision, preparation. We want our students to be prepared not only for standardized testing, but for the future. Cost-effective resources, and 21st century connectedness. Our goals outlined: infrastructure, 21st century devices, and connectedness and interaction, not only in school, but in their communities. Our expected outcomes: with updated infrastructure and software, this increases student engagement, creates stronger relationships between community stakeholders, parents, teachers, and students, which leads to increased student achievement. Our research. Why infrastructure matters? It's a community with a virtual aspect. The availability of technology for our students, not only at school, but in their homes. Research shows that students in a 1-to-1 ratio classroom outperform students in more traditional classrooms. Why so specific? Because it improves our students' skill sets. Our classrooms are student-centered, and our students experience 21st technology firsthand. Connectedness, social usage in the community usage. E-Rate makes this possible by providing affordable technology access to our students in schools. SIPA, which is the Child Internet Protection Act, protects minors from offensive content when surfing the internet in school. And COPA, Children Online Privacy Act. This restricts access by minors to harmful material. 21st Century Skills and ISTE, International Society for Technology and Education. Students are empowered learners, creative and innovative, digital citizens that make responsible and ethical decisions, collaborators globally, and effective communicators. Our educator IST standards, they are leaders, collaborators amongst their peers, designers of their classrooms, and always ready to learn. Educational leader standards, learners firsthand, visionaries, leaders, and they provide equity for students and staff. Here's some professional feedback.
Hey everyone, here we are. We're halfway there. It's week 4. Today I'm going to be talking about communication. Communication is key to any successful organization, and an important aspect of communication is public relations. In our educational systems within our school districts, the community and the stakeholders play important roles in what happens in our schools. Some aspects of communication and public relations in action are: there should be specific goals and missions that the Public Relation Board lives by. Identifying the community's needs via external and internal analysis is very important. Objectives and strategies should be clear and supported by research, and ultimately, action must take place. Remember, it is important to use various platforms of communication and public relations to ensure that all demographic and socioeconomical statuses, that their needs are met. Here are a few tools. not help change the attitudes. It's a more traditional way, but it works, especially things like radio, TV, emails, newsletters. Interpersonal meetings, calls, home visits are great for changing attitudes, but in some cases they are poor in providing information that's needed. PTA meetings, that's a good resource. Social media, as we know, is a big thing that's going on right now. So social media is important as well. Hey, some people use Facebook, some use Twitter. There's so many different platforms that can be used because we want to make sure that information is passed along, and it creates traffic and it creates awareness about what's going on in our schools and communities. But we have to be sure and be careful that distractions are not taking place in the classrooms and amongst our community. So again, we're learning about communication and public relations. It's important and it's essential to any organization. See you next time.
As you can see, communication is important to any organization. I hope that this presentation has sold you on that our district, the JMD district, should become a 1-to-1 ratio. This will enhance and increase our student engagement and student achievement. Until next time, let's talk 1-to-1.